All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Giantmouse GM8. Here with me, I'm just gonna check it out. There's like a nice business card, pretty cool logo right over there. Congratulations. You made it. You got a GM8 yourself. A nice canvas pouch with the little cord thingy right over there, and boom, here you have it. That is the Giantmouse GM8 titanium frame lock. There's some nice things going on, some less nice things, but definitely it's a pretty cool one, made in Maniago. This guy is a limited edition. There's, I believe, around 300 something. This is number 007. So pretty cool serial number going on over here. In this, look at the milling. That's pretty neat. Wavy pattern for this contoured 3D mill titanium frame lock with some blue anodized colors matching the spacer and the titanium tip-up carry only pocket clip. It's not reversible. It's just gonna stay there. Nicely done. Look at that. The springy tension is strong. You get some nice jimping right here at the back of the back spacer. Nothing here, but it's domed centered blade. Look at this. The tip of the blade, as you can imagine, right over here can easily get snagged like that. So it's not like dangerous. You can rub this like that, but if you're just like in the right position, you can get caught in that. So just be mindful. You get a nice lanyard hole going through the back spacer, nicely rounded off over here, sticks out, but beautifully gives like a little more rounded edge for the back of this knife. So that's pretty nice. And yeah, I mean, simple construction. You got two body screws, one pivot screw, pivot collar, of course, both sides, two screws for the tight stainless steel lock face insert, acting as an over travel lock bar stabilizer as well. Maybe you can see right over there. Ceramic detent ball. You don't actually have a detent ball ramp over here, so kind of feel a little bit of the step there. Nice finger groove in the hand. I have to say, it's pretty good. You have this side over here a little bit sharp, so just be careful, like snagging it like this is not gonna be fun. So just hold it like this, and right, just if you push, kind of this can get into your flesh. Keep it in mind. You have an internal cut relief for the lock bar, so it doesn't ruin the overall look, but this is kind of like a soft detent. It's you can easily fail if you try to do a push button, but as the flipper tab is suggesting, as the positioning of the jimping is suggesting, you're gonna want your finger like that, and that is a light switch deployment method, not a push button for sure. You can't snag the back of the blade, so that's cool. Two screws for the stainless steel lock face insert to reduce lock stick from this guy. Pretty pointy flipper tab. The blade is also very nice, kind of like Persian style. Look, the jimping is matching the one on the back spacer, crowning on the blade up to the point where the swedge just starts to develop up to the tip of this pretty Persian blade. Flat grind, wide micro bevel. It's flat, and you have a little bit of flats and kind of like pretty cool plunge grind. I really appreciate the crowning on the sharpening choil, and acts also like a finger choil for a more advanced grip and more precise carving kind of deal. So that's very, very nice indeed. You have, of course, like this hole, which you can use to deploy the blade. Pretty clean and sterile looking blade for sure. You have the stop pin right over there. As you can see, you can deploy it like that with a reverse, but the thumb probably flicking option is going to be the one that's going to be producing the nicest sound. Oops. It's crispy, it's clacky when you close it. It's pretty much silent. Look at this. I don't know how they achieved that, but it's very, very good. Kind of, it's, you don't know if it's closed. It is like very dampened. Love it. Let's actually check the weight of this guy right here, because I don't know, to be honest. It's gonna be 121.6 grams, which is 4.29 ounces for the Imperial system. And in the hand, it feels good. It has a nice grip, definitely not slippery, very grippy. It's solid, it's well built. It has a soft detent. That's pretty much my main gripe. That's the other thing, but it's the only thing because the action is good. You get some bearings going on under the hood. There's no drop shot action, you see, just like this. You disengage the lock bar, of course, but then you gotta wiggle a little bit to get in the closed position. It's nice. You can, you can flick it like that. It's an overall well-made knife. It's probably not my style. I already have a Persian wife, and I'm just kidding. I like Persian knives, but in this case is. It's, I don't know, I think it's lacking a little bit of personality. It's pretty cool. The handle to blade ratio, it's not ideal for the look, not super balanced, you see. But it's fine. I mean, in the hand is good. It has a pretty cool and useful blade. It's not gonna break the bank, and it's, look at this. Made in Italy. I mean, nice milling. You have some nice features, nice materials. Yeah, it's a pretty cool one. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.